Good afternoon, and it's Diane Netling again from Emsizer Health. As you know, we've been doing a couple of videos on the various products in our range, just so it makes it so much easier when you go on the website to know what you're actually buying. Today we're having a discussion on the Nucleo range. It is not a product that Emsizer manufactures itself, but we've had a relationship with the owner of the business for many years, and walking hand in hand where they sell our Emsizer probiotics to the customers as well. This is a Nucleo meal replacement, so it literally would replace all the nutritional needs that you would need for a meal. I always say, especially be it a morning or lunchtime, I wouldn't necessarily use it at night because the amount of energy that is released with a Nucleo. But if you're dealing with somebody that's having feeding through tube feeding and that type of thing, really just cannot swallow for whatever reason, badly needs good nutrition, then give it to them at night as well. It's just that the energy and the super nutrition can, release a lot of energy and possibly disturb sleeping patterns. Depends how ill or malnutrition the person is. It's an incredible product. It's got all your super nutrition that you need. You can go onto the website to see that what you need. So there's lots of videos as well on the website how to use the product. And there's a chocolate flavor, strawberry flavor, vanilla flavor. Tastes fantastic. I've even got my grandson. He's a year old, and he was a bit skinny, and we put him straight onto the Nucleo after the breastfeeding. Incredible results. I can tell you the most amazing testimonies. People dealing with cancers and obviously can't eat or keep anything down from the chemos and whatever. So that's the Nucleo brand. You can go onto our website. Full nutrition, all in one glass, literally whip and add to a bit of milk and or water. Thank you very much.